I think we are live. Let me confirm that. I think we are live, but for some reason Twitch is not loading. Yep, Twitch is up. How about YouTube? Yeah, YouTube looks up as well. Cool. Let's throw this, and how do I keep track of the chats? Test chat, test, and yep, cool. Chat looks good. Let's go write some tests now. There is a file called Rebugger. This is the action. Now we need a file that is, yeah. So we'll do one basic thing. It was Open Studio.
Was to have him keep watching over me. I wanted him to see me become Hokage.
We need a sample file here. We need a sample file. We need a sample file over here. Sample should be in the master branch. I'm just gonna stash this. Oh wait, what's in here? Wait. We have this file, yeah. Let's commit this. Update samples. And we'll check out the previous branch, which is the master branch. Yep. Now we need a basic sample. Alright, we need something like, yeah, this one. Okay, and yeah, so I'm gonna call this, I think we had another dev and master is there. We need to get the test here. No, we will get the sample first. We'll create test data basic. Yeah, that's all basic, and we'll call this basic.kt. Yeah, basic.kt. And we'll paste this here, and we will remove this Rebugger from here, and we'll call this new file basic after.kt. Right now this file should look like this. Wait, IntelliJ plugin testing. Yeah, wait, the foo XML. This is how they place the caret, I guess. Yeah. So if the caret is here, Basic. Wait. This is going to be a little complex. Oopsie. What's that? No. We need this like this, right? Like this. Cool. Now the caret position should have this Rebugger call like this. That's how the after should look like. Now how do I think I need to reduce this. Yeah. Let's reduce this. And OBS, I think I can increase this. Cool. So in testing overview, we should have some sample test. How do I write? Light and heavy test. Let's go in there. Light test, base platform test case. Okay. Fixture factory. We have a sample test in here. We'll look into that first. So there is a foo XML, which is a caret at this position, and foo after this A2. So A1 became A2. Okay. Now my plugin test should look more like foo bar PSI file test rename. My fixture test rename. Where is this coming from? What is my fixture? What is test rename? This is a code inside test feature. More like a refactoring thing, I guess. I don't know. What we need is let's create a new. Let's copy paste this. This will be basic test. Yeah, this should be basic test, and we'll keep this file the right side for the reference, and we'll close others. Now how do I write an action for this? How to write action test IntelliJ plugin. Whoa, hold on a second. We will paste response to IntelliJ idea. No. How do I open this in a new chat window? Yes, Command J. Cool. Now, to write an action test for you can follow these general steps. Create a new test class in the test directory. Done. Annotate the test class run JUnit platform. I think that's a different thing. We are looking at different test, I guess. Test method test class, create an action event, simulate the context action. This is completely relying on mocking. No. We have to mock everything here. Rather, is there any way I can? ChatGPT is not going to help. Can I see some test samples? Guess test data path. Oh, so we have one thing here. It's going to be basic. What is my fixture? Coding inside test fixture. How did I get this thing? Where is this thing coming from? Base platform test case. Okay. Test fixture factory. Create code inside fixture. Well, we will change things one by one. Configure by tech XML file type dot instance. Do we have Kotlin file type? Instance. Alright. What are we testing here? Test XML file. We have a PSA file of XML. Then we are checking if it's an XML file. Fine. We are also checking assert false, PSA error, failure, has error. Checking if it's a valid test. Let's run this test first and see how it works. No, the current task should be learning IntelliJ plugin testing. Yes, task should be that. Cool. Now we have something over here. We have what? I've just sent a PR to Rebugger. Yeah, I saw that. I was about to reply on that. Did you send a PR or did you raise a request? Yeah, cool. This PR has an option to Rebugger called use different logger method. By default, it keeps using the log with Rebugger tag. Else usage of libraries apply their own logger method. This looks good. I hope this is going to be default, right? Yeah, this looks good. Yeah, better. Thanks for this PR. I'm gonna merge it right away. It's maybe just a first version. It can be, yeah, sure. Anyway, this library itself is in alpha, I guess, or yeah, it's in the alpha stage. So yeah, let's see where it goes. I'm going to change you probably into version upgrade as well. But where is our version file? No worries, I'll take care of that. I'm going to merge this right away, and thank you so much for raising this PR. Cool. Now I think I have to, how do I publish a new version? Do I have to change the version in my library? My pleasure, always cool to collaborate on two Oasis projects. Sure, mate, sure. Let's see how we can release a new version, or we need to update the version number here. So let's see if I can do this right away from this window. Yeah, I think that's the only place yeah. You must be on a branch to make a purpose. Yeah, fine. Yep. Now we are in the master branch. You probably need to pull the head first. I'm going to release a version with this change. With the logger change, and the version name is gonna be alpha 03. Cool. I'm gonna say bump version to 100 alpha 03, and this is going to be a patch. I'm gonna push this. And I heard a subscribe or follow sound. And thanks for the follow. Hello, Ma. I know you. I think we were in contact about few other libraries, right? Some testing libraries you guys built But yeah, what was that library's name? I used it a lot when I was working on my previous project. I forgot the name. Extension functions over Espresso, I guess. That was the main functionality of that library. Let's do this. Did we push? Which one? Compose settings maybe? No. I think allow GitHub. Not this one. You had, I don't know if it was in your, yeah, it was in your organization project, I guess. What was his name? I forgot the name. Let's say Espresso Barista. That was it. Yeah, Barista it was. And the issue was about, if I remember correctly, it was asset displayed and Espresso intents, I guess. I'm going to release a new version. I would like to automate this, but I don't want to spend too much time on this now. So what's new? Custom logger, and this is the latest release. Here we go. Oh, did I break the tag format? No, I guess. I think it's just the release name. Let's go check at Jetpack. Let's confirm that this is up and running. 03. All right. Griffin News Spotify. I think if you're looking for the current song, it's this one. Yeah, sure, welcome. Now I think we just published a new version. We can close this for now. Let's concentrate back on the test. How do I write a test? That's still my question. Sakiyama, are you a self-taught? I mean, these days everyone is a self-taught, I guess. It's a big question to answer, I guess. If you're asking about IntelliJ plugin development, yes. If you're asking about the overall programming basics, no. I did my bachelor's in this computer application stuff, basic graduation degree or something. But yeah. Test XML file. Okay, now we're just looking at the basic test. We have a sample called my plugin test, which we have already written in this plugin template. So IntelliJ plugin template. So if you're looking, if you're thinking about developing a new plugin or something, this plugin is really useful. It has everything ready, including release cycle, CI setup, and all. You just have to set your business logic, and rest of the basic things like the usual thing are already there. It's really useful. All right. Yeah. So the second assert checks if it is a valid XML. Let's break the XML structure and see if the test fails. Yes, cool. Now if I add a space over here, it shouldn't fail. Wait. This, oh, I think we didn't run the test. I think we did something else. Let's fix the test first. Test XML file. And yes, test passed. Now, if I add a space over here, and I'm not going to test any of this, just want to assert instance of, wow, this is a, so if it passes, it will return the XML file. What is this assert instance of? It assert, then it cast, then it returns. Cool. Then this comes from useful test case. What is this useful test case? It's coming from Kotlin IDRC, some plugin library, I guess. Yeah, lol, I have been going to school for software engineering for 3 years and I don't understand the code too much. Yeah, I mean, when I did the same thing when I was doing my bachelor's. I didn't even know how to write code. It was more like by hearting all the programs. I mean, that's how we asked to learn, like how asked to memorize all this code and write it on exam. And then I started doing some basic stuff like creating calculators or some open source basic things, some stupid stuff, and that helped me learn so many things. Basically, learn by creating something. It will be a little hard. You'll have to spend a little more time. You will need some bit of patience, but it's definitely going to pay off. Basically, learn by practicing, just like any other skill. Practice. Now, that would be my advice. I don't know if it's going to help everyone, but that's what worked for me. Sakema, where are you from? What do you do? I mean, you're a student, you said. Sorry. I've never used Kotlin before, mainly C and Java, but it looks similar to C. I don't know if we can say that, like syntax wise. Yeah, most of the program language will look the same, variables, operators, functions and all. But yeah, I've never wrote too much C, but I don't know much about C. It was again in my bachelor's. I did write some C programming, like C stuff, but that was it. Kotlin has a ton of features. My favorite feature would be this multi-platform capability. You learn one language and you can deploy things or create programs for different OSs or devices. That's one of the my favorite feature of Kotlin. There is this, if you are unaware about this, there is a compose multi-platform. Basically, you can draw UI for almost all platforms with just one code base. Yeah, Android, iOS, desktop and web. You just have to learn one language and you can build stuff right away. Let's get back to this. So this test shouldn't fail. Now I just added a space. It's still a valid XML, I guess. But good, it didn't fail. Now if I add a foo s, I think structure wise it's wrong. We didn't close the XML tag and should fail the test, I guess. Oh, it did pass. Is this a valid XML? We have one more follow. What was that? Sakiyama, thanks for the follow. Sakiyama, I think I pronounced your name correctly. I normally do projects like implementing sorting algorithms such as quicksort and hash tables to store data. I have made a program to calculate taxes on income before, but nothing this advanced. Also, sorry, don't let me distract. It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, I think you are. Initially, we all did the same thing, learning algorithms and all, and yeah, create little programs like that. And in time, you will switch to more intermediate, more advanced projects. Like create something that you need. For example, this project I'm working on, it's called Rebugger. So at my work, I needed to do some performance things. So I needed to build something that can help me at work. So create something that is going to be useful in your life, work, wherever. You will have enough interest to continue work on that project and improve. Otherwise, it's more like you build something and you will lose interest in time, like after a week or so. You will ask yourself, okay, what is the point of creating this, and you will probably drop that project. But if there is a legit use case where you can use the plugin or library or whatever you're creating, you will continue to improve it, right? So that's one small advice I can give there. Yeah, this income tax calculator, you probably had some requirements over there. You wanted to automate some stuff, or you wanted to reduce your manual work. Then yeah, it was a good choice. Where are you from, if I may know? Okay, let's foo after this. Is this a valid? It's an invalid structure. How come the test passed then? PSA error element util has errors. I think we have to make some stupid errors, like something like this. Yeah, this should fail the test. Yes, it did. Now, why this didn't fail the test? It's not more like a syntax issue. I mean, I don't know. I'm from California. Cool. Yeah, never mind. Now let's get back to this. I need to get a Kotlin file out of this. No, it should be KT file, right? Yeah. And now let's see, what am I doing? Let's reduce the width. So we will say something like find something and open the braces, and let's remove these from here, and all right, now this is going to be a KT file. So I'm just checking the same thing for Kotlin. This test is not related to this plugin. I'm just writing some random tests and understanding the framework, how we should write the. I don't think we have enough docs regarding this anywhere in the internet. Java text fixture factory, heavy test, light Java. I think I don't know what to look at, but yeah, in time we will learn, I guess. Okay, this test passed. I'm going to name this as test Kotlin file. Okay. Okay, that did the trick. Yep. Yep. What is this test rename? My fixture test rename. Move after E2 new name. File before. File after. Where is this test rename coming from? Opens the specified file in the editor. Launches the renaming factoring on the PS element in position marked by caret marker and checks the result. Wow. Wow. This is code inside test. My fixture base platform test case. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is renaming things. Yeah. Yeah, so it's more like if we do a rename at this position and we type the new name as A2, the file should look like something like this. Not something like this. This file should look exactly like this. That's it. This test is doing. I want to do something else. I want to how do I, oh my god, how do I ask you to do certain things? Test rename me. They have this method. Oh, available intentions. Let's go do that. Okay. Yeah. Let's that's a way to start, I guess. Yeah, yes. I think test Kotlin file. This test was passing, right? Test Kotlin file was passing. Let me try to break it. So this should fail. Some BRD holocomma test. English, please. I hope it's hello. Yeah, assertion fail. Expected. Oh, they also show this here. What is this? Assertion failed error. Oh, they take the error from this run window into this editor and will highlight the error. Good thing. Amazing. You IntelliJ always surprise me. Now let's test test add Rebugger. Okay. Now my fixture available intentions. Let me forage into this and see what's in the it.txt. How do I supply an input file? Or I think it's the other way. You give two files, you say this should be this, and yeah. Oh, there's a null pointer exception. Where is this coming from? Virtual machines not found. Oh my god, that sounds serious. I didn't add. This is because I didn't add the test. Or do I need to add this? No, right? I don't know. Let's try. I don't know. Some BRT. How's it going? How's your Sunday going? Null pointer exception. Okay, my fixture doesn't have any intention. How do I set a context here? Let's see what we have in here first. My fixture is one thing, test rename and blah blah blah. Alt enter, control space. How do I list all the available things? So if I start M, I think it will list things start with M. So how do I list everything? A, B, no. I think it will be too much to ask, but code inside feature. I get available intentions, vertical caret offset, lookup. How do I load stuff? Add file to project, test data path. Wait. What did we do here? Test data path. We have the basic path set, and let me test this small rename thing first. Okay. Now I'm gonna say the file name is basic.kt, and it's gonna be basic after.kt, and new name will be new name. Okay, now I'm gonna go here. First let me commit this. What happened? Oh, now we'll say work in progress init test, right? It's going to be as work in progress committing. Yep, I know how to do it in Java but not in Kotlin. Which one? What do you know to do it in Java but not in Kotlin? Are we talking about this test? I mean, IntelliJ test, or I'm gonna copy this here and I'm gonna oopsie. I'm going to remove this from here and I'm gonna paste this here, and yeah, I'm gonna put the caret over here. If you mean how to add all input files to the method where you are renaming the file, input files to the method. No, I was asking, we have a test class here, something called myFixture. I don't know if it's the right class to access. That's how most of the tests are. They are doing it in the sample. So I'm thinking, how do we configure by text? Is that it? No. I think we have to configure the test first. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. No. Hold on a second. Let me finish this one first. Basic after, then my basic after should be new name. Okay, now the caret is caret over here, and let me try run this test. Will this pass? No way. No such file or directory. Oh, wait. Should be KT. Test passed. That's a good thing. Okay, so that's the rename action, and yeah, my fixture, I want to test action. There you go. Yeah, we have test folding, test highlighting, test inlays, test rainbow, test rename, test structure view. Wow, we need action testing, right? And we need to provide the action now. Let's keep this test like that. Or I think we shouldn't. We don't need that rename test. Let's check out this. Or let's do one. Let's stash it. Okay. Now we have basic KT, basic XML after KT. Now this is not the way to write this test. We need to fire an action here. We basically trying to test our action, right? My fixture dot test action, and what's our action name? Add Rebugger here action. What do you need? Nothing. And what do we get from here? Yeah, again we need to supply the text, I guess. Let's do one thing. Let's give this text. Okay. Yeah, my fixture. Let's look through this. lookup elements, temp directory, add files to project, check highlighting, check result, complete, do highlighting, enable inspection. Whoa, there are a ton of things we can do. Find usages. Wow. Probably what we need is save text. No, I don't think so. Test find, test file, test highlighting, test inlays, test inspection. Wow. Configure by file. Yes, we can ask it to configure by file. Okay, the file name will be it's gonna be what is it? What does it return? It returns a PSI file. Okay. So I'm gonna say a PSI file. The file name will be basic.kt, and let's check few things about this. It's gonna be a Kotlin file. Let's say a cert instance of PSI file should be a KT file, right? And KT file dot oopsie. How long have you been streaming? How many is it? 40 minutes. Cool. Now let's check this pass or not. Is this the right way to load file? Is my question. Question number 1. Is this the right way to load file? Is this the right way to load file? Yes, it is. Now, can you give me my fixture? Can you give me available intentions? What time is it for you? I'm from India and it's 4:21 p.m. here. 4H. I think this will still return null. I don't know. Let's try. It is going to return null. Oh no. Wait. That's a good thing. Now we loaded the file. Without loading the file, our available intentions will be null. So this is the right way to load a file into our test. Right, cool. This is a big thing. Now let's see what are the available intentions on this file. Right? We will check what are the available intentions. We didn't place the caret, right? Or did we? Oh, we did. We did place the carets. Now the carets. I don't think we have any intentions available at the given position. But what we can do is we can also print the size of the in size is this will be 0, I guess. I'm just exploring the API. We are not actually writing test. Just learning the stuff, learning the classes. Yeah, size is 0 now. Now if I place the caret over we probably won't have anything over here. Intentions, I don't think, right? Syntax wise, yeah, let's add the caret over here and see if there is any intentions available. I'm not sure it will be. I think it will still return 0 or no. The test is going to fail because it's not a valid Kotlin file right now, right? Oh, size is 8. Wait. Interesting. There is an intention to convert to build string. Wow. Then we have disable convert. It's basically that pop-up you get here, so when you put here and this pop-up, this is the pop-up you are getting. We have intent action wrapper, we have editing, disable to raw string lateral, and then we have this is interesting data to store. Yes. Oh, they show the output there. Wow, did you see that? So I think previously we never had this feature of like preview. This is amazing. This is. Let's just forget this. Let's fall back to our actual action. Now we need to. Now we loaded the file, right? Let's say add few comments. Loading file. Now we need our action to run on this at the caret position. So test action. Wait. What else do we have? Action. Launch action. Perform editor action. Action ID. Test file this way. Okay. If I give an okay, this should be intention action, I guess. Is our action is an intention action? No, it's just an action. So what we need is this thing itself. Add Rebugger here action. And what's now? How do I get the current state of the file? My fixture editor. Test action. Wait, it returns something, right? So I'm gonna let me do one thing. So it's gonna be it. It is it. I'm gonna put a breakpoint over here, and this. Okay. That's something. And let me run this via the debugger. Do you want the application to accept incoming network connection? Hello, please. We have one new for Finish Matthew. Hey man, how's it going? Thanks for the follow. And now we have wrong offset. Oopsie. Wrong offset. Where is this coming from? We have an issue with the import statement. What's up, man? What's up? I'm just playing with this IntelliJ plugin, that's it. Yeah, this is happening because it doesn't have any import. Wait, it doesn't have any import, right? How did it came all over here? Oh, it doesn't have any import, right? And it is supposed to have an import statement. Yeah, I think I'm gonna fall back to this sample over here. I'm going to pretend like we are dealing with an actual file. Shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna add a bunch of import statements over here. Yep, there you go. And yeah, I mean, yeah, we can remove all of these values. We just need a colon, and I'm going to copy this as well. Now I'm going to, yeah, and I'm gonna say debug over here. Now this should. What's up, man? What's up, Binish? What's going on? What are you working on these days? Is it Kotlin? Is it Android? Is it Compose? Alright, our test looks passing, but we didn't write anything, right? That it is something is null right now. How come? How come? Wait, I'm gonna put a breakpoint over here. something going to be null. Alright, but it's not null. Only the toString values are null. My description suppler has no fields. My text with class has no fields. How come? Let's do that. My fixture dot something dot is enabled and visible. True. The action is enabled and visible now. Now, what else is the text? Text is null. What else is the description? Yes, come on. Let's do that. Null. Is pop-up group is visible is text with mnemonic. How do you spell that? At my work, I use Java. Currently trying to rewrite the existing project in Kotlin. Great. I hope it's an Android project, like, or not. Correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, most of the refactoring happens. Java to Kotlin refactor happens in Android, I guess. Most of the Kotlin projects are in. Most of the Android projects are in Kotlin. Stupid statement. Ignore. Something set text. I don't think we have enough information. Wait. Make sure. I don't think we need this info. We need something else. Yeah, man, Android. Cool. My fixture dot editor dot. How do I get the text out of this? Get me the text out of this. Document dot text. Yeah, there you go. This text should have Rebugger call in it. There you go. There is a Rebugger call. I think now we can do something about the text. Sorry, something about the test. We are progressing here. Now, test output. Is there anything like output kind of thing? Is there test action, test completion, test file? Is there a assert action, something like that? No. Assert finish. Did you try the Compose iOS? I haven't tried the latest version, but did you get a chance to look into that? Assert doesn't contain. Assert equals. How do I assert the my fixture content? I don't know if we can assert this. Assert inject, assert completion, assert cast. Configure by file. Configure by text. Configure from template project file. We'll need some testing help. IntelliJ plugin testing my fixture sample. I'm using my fixture configurator, but it is throwing what? No, I do not have a Mac until last week. Got one from my work last week. Need to look into Compose multi-one. Congratulations, man. Is it your first Mac? If yes, I have some suggestions or extensions or productivity tools I can recommend. Yeah, cool. Here we go. Tool number 1, Raycast. Do you know about this thing? First Mac M2, man, that's a great Mac. So Raycast is more like Spotlight. You probably know the Mac Spotlight, right? Where you can search stuff and open, things quickly. Now Raycast is more like Spotlight on steroids. You have all kind of apps or extensions, they call it, and they have extensions for most of the apps. For example, Jira, GitHub, Slack, and all those stuff. Basically, you can do all those steps right from this spotlight. And I can set the volume to 50%, and I can set the Slack status to whatever I want, just in a couple of keyboard clicks. And they also have something called they basically integrated the ChatGPT into the Raycast in the beta version. So if you want to search for how to learn coding with ChatGPT, all you have to do is type this thing and press tab, and this text will be redirected to the ChatGPT pipeline, and you'll get the result back. This extension has Raycast has a ton of extensions. Yeah, cool. Raycast has a ton of extensions. They call it Raycast Store, I guess, where you can download stuff. And it has a ton of plugins, useful plugins. This is definitely a productivity booster. I would recommend you to install this. In rest, I think you will figure things out. All right, let's get back to our testing game. My fixture. This guy. I'm using my fixture configure file, but it is throwing null pointer exception. That's not my issue. I need to compare two files. How do I do that? Test object. Where is this coming from? Test object. Do we have that? No. Test rename. Test. How do I compare file? Test object. Where is this test? Okay, that's the test object that I'm using. Never mind. Let's Google it right away. My fixture compare before and after file after action testing. Fixtures. How to get fitness? IntelliJ plugin. Test for new file action. Compare file folder and test sources. Yes. Testing plugins action using test data but no repository fund. Why does the base plan REST feature change? Compare file and folders. I think this. Let's look at this. Test for new file action. How do I test a new file action in the view group? Blah 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 blah. I need some code. There is no direct way we can do this. We probably get Tim directory fixture. Acha. Wait. Action manager. Get action. Check result by file. Oh. Wait. Check result by file. Oh my god, there you go. Yes. Basic after .kt. I think this should pass. Oh my god, it didn't pass. What happened? Basic after expected KT. But wait. It's the order. It's the order. After meme, it should have yes. I think it's failing because I don't have the import file import statement in the after, which is legit. A legit mistake. Alright, let's go. Run. Test should pass. No, it didn't. What's now? Where is this thing coming from? Basic after me, is there a... No, right, we don't have that here. What is this? I think it's the... No, why this is failing? Basic after expected. Bugger sample. Expected. expected is this one, but was alignment issue, yaar. Pure alignment mistake. See the that's an alignment issue. I can simply copy this. Oh wait, I don't know if it's going to fix this, but let's try. Right now, wait. Why there is a square bracket over here? No, square bracket shouldn't be here. I think we need to write a proper test first. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that first. Okay, we will how do I create a new Kotlin file? Sample. Alright, it's gonna be a composable. My function make param1 is gonna be string. Oopsie. Param1 is going to be string, and param2 also going to be and we probably have some column over here which prints param1 is param1 and param2 is param2. There you go. And this is going to be the input file, right? Yeah, this is going to be the input file. Alright, now if I put the caret over here, no wait, I want to put the caret over here. Oopsie, caret over here, and if I do the rebugger action here, the file will look something like this, right? I'm going to change the basic after here. So previously it had 3 imports. Oh, they did change the structure of this thing. Let's see. I don't think this will pass. This will definitely going to fail. But let's see. Failed. Click to see the difference. Good one. It's the alignment issue. There is no other issues over here. Yeah. How do I fix the alignment here? So this is the actual file. This is the expected one. Okay. Now I want to test the alignment as well. Oh, the alignment depends on the IDE. I think we don't have to worry about the alignment for now, or should we? I probably need to test this with IntelliJ idea. Alright, now plugins. Do we have Rebugger over here? Alright, go to the marketplace, install Rebugger from there. 64 downloads so far, not bad. Installed, and I think oopsie. Wait. I'm gonna amend this. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put the cursor over here and add Rebugger here, and this actually, yeah, it's the same thing. Why now we are getting a alignment issue then? Wait, let me reconfirm that. Is it really an alignment issue? Is it really alignment issue? Track map. Track map. Wait, where am I going? Yeah, so basic after should look like something like this. No, basic should, it's the same. Wait. Basic test, basic after, right? It's gonna fail, but is it really the alignment? It looks like it is. There are more. I don't know, this is getting auto formatted. Yeah, I think this is getting auto formatted. Yes, I might need to open this in the Finder and probably in a different probably in a different CD Rebugger plugin tests. Oopsie. Yeah, source test data. Yeah, test data. Wait, it's test data, and it's gonna be under basic, and there is our basic, and basic after .kt should look. See, now this will work. The ID was auto formatting stuff. That's why this thing was failing. But let's see. So now the before basic after is auto formatted. Now the test passing. Try. We're gonna commit this for now, but we need to fix the alignment issue. Fix first good test. Alright. And now that we got it, right? How do I fix the alignment here? Why the alignment is not getting fixed by the plugin itself? Why the plugin does this is my question. It's because I might be doing something stupid somewhere. See, the track map is here, and the track map I'm building it over here, and the Rebugger call. So there is a code style manager code formatting sheet I'm doing, right? If I comment these two lines, what would happen? I'm going to format this file just like, you know, wait bro, don't do too much stuff. Maybe oopsie. I think I should go in the sample again. Fix the sample first. Remove this Rebugger from here. This is the function. This is the basic before. Okay? And the caret is going to be here. Right? Now, if the caret is here and I add here, the file will be like this, and the basic after will be blah, 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 blah. And this test will fail. This test will fail. Pathetic test it was. It's happening because now we are not even formatting anything, right? Yeah, I think it has something to do with I think we don't have to worry about the formatting now, because it will be different from each configuration, right? Formatting is not necessary. But code style manager. Oh wait, I have to do something about this one. That I'll come back in a second. I have to do something about this. We had a solution over here. We have a notification. Yes. Seems like Kotlin brings issue on the just said. One of the developers pointed me to this. Good news, if you call the following function after add import to file invocation, it should correctly format. What was my issue here? Add import to file. That was it. That's more like the import hack. But wait, we gotta fix that as well. To fix it, we need to go to our Android Studio, not this studio. Wait. Let's fix one thing first. Let's fix, things one by one. Okay. Now we'll raise an issue. Wait. Calm down, Shiva. Calm down. Now we have an issue, right? Fix import issue, and the explanation is this one. Okay, this should create an issue in the GitHub with this thing and bug label. We'll come back to this. All right, we'll come back to this. Now, what's the current issue? Formatting we need to fix. And based on the test failure, wait. Yeah, let's we'll have to run this again. Good one. Expected. Now what's the difference? It's the tab. This is a tab, 4 spaces, and these are also spaces. And how do they add here? How are they getting formatted or added like this? So if I do, wait, 1, 2, no. I need another, wait. I need a scratch file. Got it. See, scratch file, even if I copy paste the scratch file, it's gonna be different text. It is getting auto formatted for some reason. Auto format. Actions. Auto format. Grammar and style. Let's go for format. Oopsie, that's too much. Who is Mr. Editor? Kotlin, yeah. Use default settings. Use custom formatting option. Use default. No copyright. No, that's the copyright. No. Why these are? We can select these. Yeah, default. I don't want to mess with this. Is there any other option I can look into? No, negative. Where is this formatting happening? How do I prevent it from happening? Let's look at the code we are generating. We are generating a tracker map over here, and we are asking the code style manager to format it. And this code style manager formatting these things differently for the test and for the IDE. That's the issue. That's the main issue over here. That's the issue. How do I fix this? Can I say offset is going to be 0 and we format everything? I think this will break more things. Let's see. How do I see the difference? Yeah, see, it added more things, more formattings. Why? That's if the spaces are being added by that coding state, whatever thing was that. Is there any value I can pass which will reformat text? Is there anything, any other variant of reformat text? Ranges, start offset, end offset. How do I wait, what was that class he was telling? Post process reformatting aspect. Do postpone from. What is this thing here? Let's put it here. I hope this will be some magic code. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing now. Let's try adding this and let's see what's the output. Alright. Oopsie. It didn't fix the issue, but let's see the difference. It did nothing. I think it has only to do with formatting. Postponed formatting. What else we have? Disable post-process formatting inside. Wait. If you call the following function after add import to file invocation, it should correctly reformat imports. That's to fix the import. But is there anything post formatting inside? I think postpone formatting inside formatting. Yeah, let's try do this. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this here. Ta-da. No, it didn't fix the issue. Obviously, it didn't. Now what's the no. Undo. Go back. But post-processing formatting, this class looks really promising for this issue, right? Post-process reformatting aspect. Funny. Do post-process, say disable. Assert document changes at clear. Disable post. Yeah. Wait. We need to disable the post-process formatting, right? I think I should call this here disable inside runnable computable. Oh my god, I think we should add this here. Where is that intent coming from? Come on, do the magic. No, it didn't. That's not post formatting, blah blah blah, any of that. Disable post process formatting inside. Oh my god. Alright, we have more failures. I think it didn't do any of the stupid formatting stuff. Formatting is different. I think it's just the formatting. So we are not going to worry about that now. I think we should move fixing the basic after file manually. We only worry about the content, right? Oh no. I'm class not found. What is this now? What was that? Basic test. This is it. Check result by file. The reason ignore trailing. Oh my god. Where were you? Ignore trailing white spaces. True. Oh, I don't think it's the thing that I am talking about. It's a trailing white space. It's not the intent, right? But this test passed or what? No, it didn't. Now, is this going to fix the issue? No, 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 no. What's the default value? It's false, 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 false. Ignored. Never ignore. It's not gonna ignore. Wait, let me see. Is there any other check result? Expected text. I think we can simply check result, right? So we'll just copy this and paste it here, right? And that's gonna fuck up a lot of stuff. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. Do not do this. How do I escape this character? Slash, right? No. I add one more. No, how do I escape a dollar here? Oh my god, no. Not like that. Escape dollar in multi-line string Kotlin. Oh my god. To escape the any multi-line string, you can use the backward slash. Right? It didn't do the trick, stupid. Escape dollar in multi-line string Kotlin. Is this actually a valid input? Is this really a valid input? It is. Why this not working then? Huh? Oh dude, it's a param name also. You do this and you're gonna get fucked, right? This is wrong. What if this? What if it's oopsie. Shouldn't have done that. We'll use ChatGPT right from here. I think I have. Yeah. How do I think I should Google it. Kotlin multi-line dollar escape. Kotlin has multi-line strings. Also, Kotlin string supports string representation with can be escaped as, but cannot be currently escaped without within multi-line. What is that? Wait. Yeah. Yo. You would need to use this. Oh my god. Funny that, but that works just like you asked. Tricky boy. We need oh my god, I'm making this more complex. Right. Don't make me do this. Param 1. Right. I'm gonna be put X over here. And it's gonna be param 2, which is gonna be Y. I will change the variable names, but let me see if it works or not. It didn't. Why? Same issue, right? whether it's a file or text. Maybe I should move this little here, and that should make the test success, right? It should. I don't want to do that. Really don't want to do that. Oh my god, it didn't. What's C? Oh my god, what is that? 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 Don't tell me that's gonna fix the issue. I think we shouldn't do this. This is introducing more issues. No. We are checking the result over here first. Sorry, my mistake. Wait. Let's disable this. This will fix the issue. No, it won't. But what if I do a tab over here? Should fix. No, it also didn't fix the issue. Now the issue is, oh my god, more space needed. Really? Oh my god, that's so stupid. That is so stupid. I don't want to do that. Check result. We'll check result by file. We'll compromise on the intent issue. Result by file. Result. Strip training. Expected file. My fix. Okay. Check result. I'm going to check this class usage. Did anyone do any kind of oh my god, where is this coming from? Why are they showing Alipay? This Java code snippet using shell hut put Alipay. Oh yeah, it's not this one. Search for Java code. No result found. Okay, we better. How about this one? Oh, there you go. How about now? I think it should be more like, this is not my fixture, this is setup. This is Kotlin, this is Java, right? This is Java, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I should check in IntelliJ Community Edition GitHub. Okay. How are they doing the test? Quick fix or get based on? do action. Is this a test case? Yeah. Nothing to fix or check result. Yeah, hard coding the string in most cases, I guess. This is on Python test. The testing framework is pretty good, but can I set few things like my fixture dot intent or something, available intentions, editor wala. Can I do that? Editor dot intent model. What are you expecting? Intents model. Yeah, then we can do that. We'll see samples for this one. Yeah, we can get it like this, right? Wait, let me do one thing. I will debug this. I think we need to provide a custom editor settings, and with the file we have, otherwise it's gonna be a mess. Yeah, let's do this. No, evaluate expression. There you go. My intents is 0. My intents by line, these are fields, right? My editor, my document. Oh. Intents model. Indentation from action. I think it's more like an ID thing. Yeah. I need to change the indentation. Oopsie. Oopsie. Oh, indent. Indent. Is that how you pronounce it? Let's see. My editor. Editable true. How do I change the indent over here with this thing? Can I? I don't think we have. No indents by lines, no indents. No, we don't have that. Can ChatGPT help here? I need to change the indentation of test file. Oops, that's the, so we need to format it again, you're saying? Maybe. Maybe. Code cell manager. Output. How this is going to be helpful? It will be the 4 parameter. Let's check the code style manager thing. Code style manager, we can use that class to format the text, but then we need to set the text again, which is more like cheating. Okay. Let's try do this. My fixture.editor.document.text. That's the output. Now formatted output will be code style manager reformat, and it doesn't accept direct string, right? Reformat text, I think I have to give. Is PSI file is a PSI element? Huh? What is PSI file? What is PSI file? PSI file system, is this a PSI element? Navigatable PSI element? It is a PSI element. Cool. I think we can just simply give that file then. Reformat. We need to get the my fixture dot file. Yeah. Huh? That's it. Now formatted output we have to write, right? Editor document text equal to formatted output dot text. Document dot set text. Yeah. Text. It should we don't need the output over here. Yeah. It failed. Expected. Attempt to modify PSI for non-committed document. Attempt to modify PSI for non-committed document. Attempted. Document uncommitted. How do I commit the document, bro? Yeah. This file checks for this condition is document uncommitted. Okay. File equal to no return was. Yeah, I think this should fix it or not. I don't know. That's it. It has failed, but must not see outside command undo transfer. What is this? Must not see outside command or undo transfer action. think we have to do this inside a special block or something. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing at this point, but let's try. Oh, now it passed. Alright, now let me remove that as well and see what happens. Attempt to modify, yeah, fine. Now it formatted even more. If I call the format again, now there are 4 spaces right now. If I call this again, if I repeat this again like 2 times, what will happen? I will have 8 spaces. The more you format, the more spaces you will have. That doesn't make sense. No. Wait a second. If my test it more like this, and will that fix the first alignment issue? Will that fix the first alignment issue? Will that? No. Expected is this one. Wait. This is expected. What if I expect this? What if I expect this? What is the difference? Yeah. Oh wait. Now there are 8. Oh yeah, 4 was already not there. Now let's make it 3. Let's make it 4. Right. I think currently we are only running it once, and so I think it's only running once and it's getting failed here. So second iteration probably not working. Yeah, let's do this. No, it doesn't work like that. It is okay. Alright. Okay. Alrighty, now this fails. Yeah, same thing, same issue. Code manager statement is not going to help here. The issue is formatting. Now we are doing more formatting, and that's not going to fix the issue. We need to change how it formats. Alright, code style manager. Adjust line intent. line indent, get line indents. Zero indent, get transfer, indent adjustment. Okay, wait. We have one more thing to check. Rebugger sample. We can close this studio and open this one. This studio has this Rebugger plugin which we can quickly run. Okay, now I want to know few things. First thing, let's post this and let's say show. No, I'm not interested in this stuff anymore, right? I just want to get the show information here. What is this? Oh, it's getting indexed. All right, now project dot indentate loading. No. Get the file dot. What was this class we were accessing here? Code style manager. Let's get it. Right. A code style manager. Import it, bro. Import class. Yes. Indent. Get line indent. Alright. The line indent. No. Oh my god. 35 indent. Just line indent. No. Project dot indent. Editor dot indent. How do I get the indent, current indent? Current indent count. Common code style settings. Oh, see. Alright, in Kotlin. Okay, we need all these. We need We need just this information. Settings manager. Oopsie. Deprecated. Why is this replicated? Get settings or code style or get default or code default settings. Get settings project. Code style settings manager. Get settings. Code style get settings. Okay. Settings manager. Get settings. Code style manager. Code style manager. Settings manager. Get settings. Code style. Get no current settings. Code style settings manager. That's a public static method. Yeah, code style settings. I need to get the current settings. Current settings now. No, I think we need current settings. Hey Shashikant, how's it going, man? Oh, my LoFi music is paused or what? It's done. We'll go next. No, this one. JetBrain has a Spotify playlist, right, Shashikant? JetBrain's coding playlist. Pure flow coding. Dun, dun, dun. Let's try this one. All right. Now we need to get the current settings. It's going good. Working on cams, JetBrain's playlist. LoFi playlist they have. current settings. Just ChatGPT window. Current settings, common settings. Let's try this. Let's try this. Alright. Common settings we don't have. I get common settings. Kotlin common settings. I get common settings. Language.ini. Yeah. Then the options. I think we should get that Kotlin common settings. Yeah. Oopsie. And then intent option has intent save and intent. Yeah. Let's see. Is this a constant? Default intent says this is not a constant. Right? Anyone changing this date? Oh, they are changing this. This is not a constant. Alright. Now what are the values? Intent size, tab size, and then what was the use tabs? No, I'm not interested in that value. Indent size, tab size. I wish there could be a plugin to do this, like, you know, select this text and, you know, let's print value or something, and it should generate this line. Usually we almost do this every day, right, to debug issues. But do they have? You have postfix. What is that? What's a postfix? You can just type no, right? How does that work? You can just type .sout at the end. No, can't see that. How do I do that? Am I doing it the right way? Sout here works on string type. String type. Yeah, I want something more, you know. I select a code block, let's say something like this, and I just say something like similar to Rebugger here. I'll have something like print something. That's a really useful thing. I'm gonna try to make another edit, but yeah, I'm gonna add it to my to-do. I plugin to generate println statements. Explanation, self-explanatory. Project IntelliJ. I remember seeing something on GitHub. There should be something. Let's find that. Generate println statement from code block. IntelliJ plugin Java. I don't think we have such a. There's some limited options. I don't think we have. How I wish I can type this fast. I don't know if I'm fast. Like most of the time, I'm pressing this backspace button. I'm not that fast. You should see people like Primagen or other famous Twitch streamers how they fast. Like I'm like only 1% close to that. Oh, this has lyrics, yaar. I don't want lyrics. I need LoFi chill beats. Naruto. Let's go this way. How is this? Play. Oh my god, this is not playing. Yeah, this is cool. Well, we got 10 points for what? How to copy files to Android emulator instance. Such a tough question it was. How to I think I did answer this in 2021. Sometimes we don't have to, sometimes we get lucky. Anyway, let's go back to our actual problem. We created a to-do over here. What was the to-do name? Issue 142. Yeah, Jashi, we will have to develop this. How do I check if there's such a plugin? Yeah, it can be fun. Yeah. There is this, you know about this plugin, right, Shashi? I will show you. There is this plugin. Okay? Now this will help you write plugins more faster. You don't have to get the zip file, you don't have to deploy, you don't have to launch the IDE. You just have to press this little button and it's more like hot swap. What do you call it? Hot swap? Hot reload. Yeah, you should be able to get the variables from the PSI trialize, and then there's add the place statement. Yeah, I saw it on it. Yeah, that's exactly what we are doing for this Rebugger plugin as well. Just we browse through the PSI structure and get this thing. There is a helpful plugin. Are you aware about this PSI viewer plugin? So this is more like you can check the PSI structure live. Are you aware about this? If not, there is one which helps faster development cycle. Anyway, let's keep on fixing test. Right now, the tab size. What is the tab size here? In the test environment, the tab size is what? It's 4, right? And intent option tab size. Oopsie, that's intent size. My tab size. Oops, I have to run this again. Let's copy this piece of code. Oh, that's useful. I haven't seen that before. Yeah, it's really useful. Now let's come over here and code style manager. Kotlin common settings are import please, and I want this block also, and this should show the intent size. So I started the plugin, I go into some sample file, I press this shortcut Shift W, and intent size and tab size are 4 here, and it should be 4 here as well. Yeah. Sashi, I have a problem for you. Instead of me coding building something, I am here playing games. I mean, whatever you enjoy, I would say. Coding is fun when you have like a proper output or expected output. The rest of the journey is little unhappy, I guess. I mean, not exactly, but sure, what's up? Sashi, problem is, I'm trying to write a test. Okay, so we have this Rebugger action, right, which generate code wherever your caret is. So this is the input code, and here is the caret, and this is the output code, and basically after executing that IDE action, you should have this Rebugger, right? Now I wrote a test for that. Let's focus all of this blah 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 stuff, and I have the basic KT file, which is the input file, and I execute the test action here. Now I can compare it by executing this specific method, check result by file, and we can give the expected file. So that's basic after.kt. Now if I execute this test, this test will fail because I'll show you. Because give me that error. Because there is an indent issue. Indent, that's what you call it, right? That issue which add extra spaces over here. Okay, I can simply fix the issue by by fixing it right here, not here. Yeah, if I add the test file with the intent, with the new intent, the test will pass. It's not the content issue, it's the intent issue. Oh, that rhymes. Yeah, now the test passed. Now if I open this basic after here and if I format this again, this will go back to the previous state. Now I'm trying to tell the test that, bro, don't add extra intent, or I don't know how this is getting added. Wait. Yeah, I don't know how this is getting added over here. In the IDE it works just fine. So if you want to, like in the actual plugin, it works just fine. So if I am adding a rebugger here, oopsie, I think I need to reload this thing. Yep, go back. Yeah, I think in here it should add in the proper way. See, it works just fine, right? I think it's still picking from your IDE settings. We have project level editor settings so that it can pick from that instead actually. But test shouldn't actually, like, this is just a unit test, right? Test shouldn't actually rely on the IDE settings. We are executing this test in a separate environment, isn't it? I'm looking, we probably need to change the indent to, I think it's currently 8 or something. That's why we are getting that kind of output. You see, not here. Let me do this. This is a unit test and shouldn't pick values from the IDE settings. See how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is the actual one. I mean, the editor code set is possible to every time you format is formatting, I'm guessing. It's possible every time you format, it's reformatting, I'm guessing, unless I got the issue wrong. No, that's the issue. But yeah, it again formats. But I tried that scenario as well. I tried to put the formatting code in a loop, and that's not the issue. It's probably happening because the IDE settings that they have inside this test plugin has a different settings, I guess. Right? I'm thinking, is there any way before performing the action, I'm thinking if there is any way we can control that indent value, right? Indent model we have the variables and everything, like we have the document, we have the document file here, we have the project variable here. I'm just checking if there is a variable to change this, more like indent dot equal to 4. Yeah, but that's where we are right now. We have been looking into this for some time now. I think I will move with what I have now. We'll post this somewhere. I think you would have to check in the editor API probably. Yeah, but I can't find that. Like, editor is there, then we have intents model, caret model, intents model, I don't see any useful method over there. Or we can do one thing. We can put a debugger here. Yeah, basically based on that syntax structure, it should be in the editor. But yeah, let's check my fixture dot editor. Has a ton of things. I'm sure it is somewhere here, but I don't know where that is. My panel no. Scroll pane. I think I'll have to go through one by one. My document. Is there like a actual document kind of thing for this thing? You know anything about that? I checked the. Hey, let's. How to change indent size is IntelliJ plugin documentation. And this is the ID thing. They have code docs, reformat code, tabs and indents. I think most of these are ID documentations. I can't find the plugin developer documentation. I have to correct indentation. Kotlin default settings to save the result. Yeah, they do have a documentation, but I'm not sure we can find the intent stuff from here. Values for parent ID, indents in source file, formatter, define a block, formatter, editor code, position and offset examples of Kotlin. How about this? Let me look into that. Special characters. Hey, this are we already using. This is more like we are telling the ID in the test file. We can define these things, right? You know, the cursor is at this position. That's how we specified it. Specify the column selection to start and inputs. I don't know what that is. Indent. Nothing about indent here. I'm probably looking at the wrong. Hey. Oopsie, where did we go? Indents model. There's a method called perform editor action here. Yeah, perform editor action is there. That needs an action ID. Okay, how do I get the action ID? No. Okay, ID actions. ID actions. Code for code, inspect code, editor free format. Can I do that? Let's see if it works or not. Maybe you can run reformat. Reformatting, yeah, I'll tell you that. Let's see if it works or not first. No. How's the output looks like? It added more formatting. Oh my god. It is different now. It added something over here. Let's change my formatting. Wait. Oopsie, no, do not do that. added more formatting stuff. Let's forget that. I think it's taking the default ID code still, the 4 indent root probably. Yeah, probably. I'm already doing the formatting here, like, for the generated code. So basically I generate a code and then I insert the string and then I format those area. That's how I format in the plugin. I think I will have to, I don't know. I'm going to pause on this because I've been spending more time on this now. I'm going to get this run, get the difference, or maybe wait. Yeah, this should pass the test, not text. Oopsie, what happened? Oh, now the input is also messed up, I guess. Basic after, this should fail the test. Yeah, I'll copy the text from the actual and I'll put it over here. Actually, it only formats this section, right? See, that's the only difference we have. An extra spacing. The code I generate. What if I do this? Let's make this as stupid as possible. Okay. Now how about this? Test passed. That's because I have this here. If I format this, I don't think it will pass. No. This extra. Manually fix this for now. Alright. Manually fix that for now. We'll come back to this later. We are out of the time box. Oops, what's now? What is the issue now? Did you manually wrote that actual code? No. It's the generated code. Like I just executed the plugin and copied the after version. If you're planning to use snapshot testing, let it automatically generate the content and copy over. If you're planning to do snapshot testing, let it automatically generate the content and copy over. I don't understand that. For now, I think we can manually fix this. It's more like see, if I copy this code, it has this indent and everything. I copy the same code and I paste it over in this basic after. It gets auto formatted. Like there are 2 tabs over here but in the copied code it was 3, right? And this should pass now. Fix first test, and I'm going to raise an issue over here. Fix test indent issue. Currently test indent, test output indent is different from actual indent. Test should have same as IDE output indent. Yeah, we'll come back to this later. For now we have one basic test, right? Now, yeah, basic we need more test, but for now I think I'm gonna stop here, right? Cool. Alright man, see you later. Do you plan to stream tonight, Sashi? Do you have any plans to stream tonight? If yes, what are you going to stream? Not sure yet. Cool. Alright then. See you later. Bye bye. I want to stream the KMP stuff. KMM app stuff. Yeah, you should. You should. I once started this project, then I forgot about that, I guess. Pencil UI? Yeah, this one. Multi-platform compose theme. I mean, that's where I started. I don't know what happened after that. Yes, I think I implemented basic components and all, and then I probably dropped. But yeah. Cool man.